everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger bubbles. If you're a Messenger user and you are not being able to see your Messenger bubble or your Messenger chat heads, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's get started. If you're not being able to see chat bubbles on your Android device, then the first thing to do is to make sure that the bubbles are enabled. First of all, tap open your Facebook Messenger application. Tap on your profile icon at the upper left-hand corner. Scroll all the way down until you see Chat Heads option. Tap on the toggle button right next to Chat Heads in order to enable bubbles on your Messenger. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to enable Chat Bubble for your application. The next thing to do is to clear apps cache and data. Go ahead and tap Open Settings on your Android. From the Settings menu, scroll down to Apps. Now, select Messenger from the list of the apps displayed on the screen. Give it a tap and tap on Storage. In order to clear cache, tap on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right-hand corner, which will wipe out all of the cache data that has been accumulated on your Messenger application. Now, log into your Messenger app again to see if that fixes your issue. If that still does not, next thing to do is to update your Messenger app. Tap Open Play Store and type in Messenger. Once you do that, if you see an open button popping up right next to Messenger, that means your application is already updated. But if you see an update button like this, it means you'll need to tap on Update and download the latest version of Messenger. Sometimes because of the outdated version of a particular application, you might not be able to use all of its features to the fullest. So those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to use the chat bubble feature on Facebook Messenger. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.